Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to back up Exodus Wallet. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Helpline and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. If you ever lose access to your Exodus wallet, your secret recovery phrase can be used to restore that access, whether on another computer or mobile device. The 12-word secret recovery phrase is your wallet's backup. So, to view your secret phrase, open Exodus Wallet and log in. Now make sure that you are in complete privacy to view the phrase. If anyone finds the phrase, your wallet and assets will be in their control. So now that you are alone, tap the settings icon at the top right and tap Backup at the top. Here, tap View Secret Phrase. Check the box confirming that you are in private and tap Show Secret Phrase. Next, unlock your wallet. Type your password and tap Unlock Now. You can now view your secret phrase. Hover over the numbers to view the phrase. Make sure you don't make a digital copy of the phrase. Write it down on paper and store it in a secure place. So that's how you back up Exodus Wallet. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next one.